Hi, in this video I will show you how to change cells height and width in Google Sheets. We have multiple methods. For the first method, let me just write anything here, name, age, job. Okay, for these ones I just need, for example, if I want this to be like that, I just need to click on this and it would be the perfect width. For the high, I can go like this and whatever. Let's, for example, add something here and let's go with this and like that. You see it changed. And for example, let's say that we want to have the same height for all of our columns, so I just need to select my columns, then click on the right, then go resize rows, and here I would specify the height. For example, let's go with 30. And you see here we have the same height for all of our rows. If I want to do the same for our columns, I would select them, then click on the right of my mouse, then resize, and here let's go, for example, with 50. And we will, no, 50 is too, it's not good, 50, let's go with 80. And as you see, we have the same width for all of our selected columns. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one.